Hello guys, welcome back to Nitesh channel. So before starting the video, let me show you something. So I'm here on my phone screen guys, and I'm opening the CapCut, and there's no any template option as you can see, and I have also updated my CapCut and I have also logged in my account. But I think many of you guys are facing this problem, so I'm here with the solution guys, so you don't need to worry. Let's get started. So guys, you need to open Chrome from your device and then just search CapCut templates and click on the first link. And if it's opening on your device, then it's totally fine. If it's not, I have an alternative. So just click on the settings and privacy and security, and then after click on use secure DNS and change it to choose another provider and select Cloudflare, and just go back to the site, and then after reload the page, and as we can see we get the access to the that site, and you can also use VPN. Then to create a template, just choose the template whatever like. I have chosen this template, and just click the below button and just click the media picker from there and choose the picture you want. And just as you can see, our picture has come, and you can also choose the resolution, format, frame rates, and click the export button from there, and it will take a while to export your videos. And as you can see, our video is exported, and just click on the download icon to, and then after let me show you our templates it's working or not. And as you can see, our template is fully working. So by doing these steps you can do this, you can access the CapCut templates easily. Or if you are facing this problem after following this step, just download the CapCut web app. If you are not known about that, just tell me, I will provide you the link guys. So bye guys, have a nice day, and this much for today. So subscribe my channel guys, have a nice day.